We're back with even more YouTube Shorts news / features and functionality rolling out, and this time they're adding more functionality to a feature that's been rolled out back in September last year, and that feature is replying to a comment with a short. Before, it was a very basic process, and I even did a video about it, which you can check out right here. But today we're going to show you the new features. But first, we're going to jump into the article, which will express what's going on, and then I'm going to show you how to do it on my phone. So here we go. On the screen here, we've got a fresh post from Megan in the section all about YouTube Shorts functionality and announcements and updates, and the heading is more interactivity when replying with Shorts on iOS. So currently this is a feature that has already been rolled out to iOS previously. They're adding more functionality, and so currently if you have an iPhone, this is something that you could probably take advantage of. Let's read on. Creators on iOS. Last year we launched the ability for you to feature comments in your Shorts. Now we're rolling out a few updates to the experience of replying to comments for Shorts. If you prefer watching over reading, check out this short to learn more. And they got a little short at the bottom that you can check out in the article, which will basically explain the process, but I'm going to do that for you in just a second. With this update, Shorts will appear as replies in the comments feed. So in the comments feed under the video, this short is that we're going to make as a reply to a comment is actually going to be posted in the comment section. That's pretty cool. The commenter will receive a notification when you reply to their comment with a short. So whomever I'm replying to in my demonstration is going to get a notification that I am replying to their comment with a short. And the comment sticker is now tappable, so viewers can watch the original short or long form video that someone commented on. So if you can see that comment sticker or card that's going to be on the screen in the short, people can actually tap on that and it will take them straight to the video. That is powerful stuff. We hope this launch provides you with a fun, fresh opportunity to interact with your audience and make it easier to directly transform comments from your most engaged community members into content. This is powerful stuff. This is like Reply Girls on steroids. These updates begin to roll out to creators on iOS today. This is February the 8th, and will launch to creators on Android in the coming months. So as with some features launch on iOS first, some features also launch on Android first, and at some point they get cross-pollinated onto both. So whilst iOS has this feature, Android have custom thumbnail selection from a frame in the video, which I did a video about if you want to check that out. But anyway, let's dive into the tutorial. And we jump straight in, and you can see here I'm on my channel. I'm already in a video and I'm about to click into the comment section. So I'm going to click in. For demonstration purposes, I'm going to take this one here from Scully's House of Thrillers. Avid watcher and supporter of my channel. Shout out to Scully. So I'm going to reply to it with a short. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the reply, and you can see here right away I can just type a standard text reply. It's even got the little timestamp button there where I can add the timestamp in. But no, I'm going to use the little shorts with the little plus on it in the corner there, and this is going to bump me straight into the short section. And now what you can see, we're in the Shorts camera tool, and you can see the card is there. I cannot move the card right now. It's not going to allow me to move it around. What I have to do first is record my thing. Now if I want to go more than 15 seconds, I can just change that to 60, as you can with Shorts. I'm going to do that for safety because I'll probably ramble. Let's record something. This is the first step, recording something in the short. So here we go. Hey Scully, thanks for the kind words. Appreciate it very much. And just to let you know, you're going to be in a demo for how to use, how to reply to a comment with a short with the additional new features. I'm using your comment as an example. This one right here above my head. Big shout out to you, Scully, and thanks for being a supporter of the channel. So something like that. So now we've recorded that. You can see we cannot do any movement of the card yet Because what we can do is record additional stuff, throw in. We can do like the whole short edit where I might do multiple takes, but that's all I want. So I'm going to hit the button there. Now I can move this up to the top, which is where I want to move it. I didn't really give myself enough headroom initially when I started recording, but this will do. Now I can do all the usual shorts things in here by, you know, adding a sound, you know, fiddling with voiceover and filters and stuff. Now what I'm going to do is click next, which is going to pop me out to the publishing part. We're going to make it unlisted, but we're going to actually, I'm going to have it come out tomorrow, even though I'm recording it today. It's Thursday the 9th of February, but I'm going to let it come out on the 10th. Go back. Now I've got to give it a title, all the usual things. Now we have to upload from the phone. This is, of course, my iPhone because it is currently only on iOS, this feature, so here we go. Then we've got to give it a chance to upload, so we'll come back once it's uploaded and check it out. Okay, so now what I've done is I've jumped out. I'm just going to make sure that this video has uploaded. It says ads pending, but that's okay. It's scheduled. Replying to a comment with a short. Now, the thing that is not specified in this article is because I've scheduled it, has that actually made it so that it isn't going to appear in the comments feed so we can see it? Has Scully already been notified, or is that going to happen when the short goes live? Don't know. Is the comment sticker tappable? We will, well, it should be, according to the article. We're going to find that out in just a second, so I can see that is scheduled. We're going to have to come back to this, so hang tight. All right, we're back. What I had to do is make the short public, so don't schedule it, make it go live like you're replying, so the reply is there real time. Okay, let's have a look at what that actually looks like. Now if we go back into the same video where the comment was, I'll show you on the phone first here. So there's 2 replies to this comment that I commented on, and you can see there's my original comment, and then you can see right under there now is my short reply. Replying to a comment with a short, new features. So it's basically a clickable link that will take them to the short to watch the reply, which is awesome. And you can even see it on desktop. I've got a screenshot now you should be seeing where I'm also seeing that on desktop. So it will appear wherever the comments appear underneath the video. It's going to show up in most devices as far as I can tell. Whilst you can only create them right now on iOS, coming to Android soon, you can see them everywhere. So that's how it works. Now let's try the clickable part. So we need to go in, and now let's wait till it starts playing. I'm going to tap on the card. It says view comment, and it takes me to the comment section of the video. But I guess once I'm in the comments, I can see comments on ads. If I click the bar there, that'll actually start playing the video. Yes, there we go. So yes, it'll take you to the comment first, but there'll be a bar to click on where you can actually go and watch the video. So if you're the person, you can rewind what video it's on. If you're someone who's coming through from shorts, clicks the card, you can see the original comment, and then you can go watch the video as well. Pretty awesome feature. It's a pretty good upgrade to this reply to a comment with a short feature. I think you're going to see a lot of use out of this now it has this functionality, and when it comes out on Android, oh my goodness, it's going to be huge. So make sure if you're on iOS, you go and start using that feature, check it out, and follow it through. Let me know in the comments what you think about this, and will you use it on a regular basis to reply to certain comments? Obviously not going to use it on every comment, but certain comments. Let me know if this is something that you'd be into, or let me know if it's something that you would be happy to see a creator reply to one of your comments with a video comment.
Reply girls are gone. Reply with a short, easy.
Well, this is Doug. Make sure you check out the next video. It's going to be about shorts. I guarantee it. This one here. Catch you later.
Subscribe to Doug Hewson YT.